Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Vivo X300 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro. Today, we're diving deep into their massive displays, powerhouse chipsets, groundbreaking camera tech, and battery life that could make or break your day. Will the Vivo's giant 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED with a blistering 4500 nits peak brightness outshine Apple's Super Retina XDR OLED? Can MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 hold its ground against Apple's A19 Pro? And what about those insane camera specs? Does the Vivo's 200-megapixel telephoto or the iPhone's LiDAR scanner steal the crown? Plus, we're asking the real question, is the Vivo X300 Pro the flagship killer Apple didn't see coming? Starting with the display, the Vivo X300 Pro boasts a larger 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a jaw-dropping peak brightness of 4500 nits and HDR10+ support, making it a beast for visibility even under direct sunlight. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro's 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED maxes out at 3000 nits peak, but shines with its Ceramic Shield 2 and Dynamic Island features, enhancing durability and user interaction. The Vivo's sheer brightness advantage is key for outdoor use, but Apple's integration of always-on display and anti-reflective coating adds polish and practicality. Under the hood, the Vivo X300 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9500, built on a 3nm process with an octa-core CPU hitting up to 4.21 GHz, delivering raw multi-core power. The iPhone 17 Pro, also on 3nm tech, uses a hexa-core A19 Pro with higher single-core speeds up to 4.4 GHz, plus a 6-core neural engine GPU that excels in AI tasks and graphics efficiency. The Vivo's multi-core approach favors multitasking, but Apple's chip leads in optimized performance and AI integration. When it comes to extra features, Vivo packs in advanced imaging tech like the V1 chip and Zeiss T camera-wise. Vivo's triple setup includes a staggering 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom and OIS, delivering ultra-detailed zoom shots. The iPhone 17 Pro offers a versatile 48-megapixel telephoto with 4x optical zoom, LiDAR scanner for depth sensing, and advanced video modes like ProRes RAW and Dolby Vision HDR up to 60 FPS. Vivo's zoom prowess is unmatched, but Apple's video and 3D spatial capabilities push creative boundaries. Looking closer at camera features, Vivo's focus tracking engine, combined with Zeiss optics and SEPA 5.5 stabilization, ensures razor-sharp images even in motion. The iPhone 17 Pro's periscope telephoto with 8x optical zoom and Smart HDR5 plus macro photography and dual recording make it a versatile powerhouse for professional-grade shots. Apple's zoom range and HDR tech give it an edge for diverse shooting scenarios. Battery capacity is a clear win for the Vivo X300 Pro with a massive 6510 mAh CIC Li-ion battery, promising longer usage and less frequent charging. The iPhone 17 Pro's 4252 mAh battery is smaller, but optimized for efficiency thanks to Apple's tight hardware-software integration. For heavy users, Vivo's larger battery means more screen time and gaming without worry. In terms of build, the Vivo features glass front and back with an aluminum alloy frame, while the iPhone 17 Pro enhances durability with a Ceramic Shield 2 front and back and an aluminum alloy frame. Apple's Ceramic Shield technology is a standout for drop resistance, making it one of the toughest smartphone bodies available. Regarding durability and extras, Vivo offers IP68, IP69 rating, making it highly resistant to dust and water jets, while the iPhone 17 Pro has IP68 dust and water resistance with immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, plus Apple Pay certification. Apple's deeper water resistance and seamless payment integration add practical value for everyday life. Memory options are comparable, with Vivo offering configurations up to 1 TB storage and 16 GB RAM, slightly edging out the iPhone 17 Pro's max 16 GB RAM but capped at 1 TB storage with 12 GB RAM. Vivo's higher RAM options might appeal to power users and multitaskers craving extra headroom. Finally, price points reveal a clear positioning. Vivo X300 ranges from $750 to $950, aggressively undercutting the iPhone 17 Pro's $1,099 to $1,500 range. This price gap raises the ultimate question. Is the Vivo X300 Pro the flagship disruptor that offers more bang for your buck? Or does the iPhone justify its premium with unmatched ecosystem and features?